Recently, a family member of mine has been booking a lot of appointments in our local hospital. We have encountered three major problems in their current approach. Number one, they, sometimes they don't even pick up the phone call. Secondly, when you call in a rush hour or when there's a lot of calls coming to their hospitals, you're assigned a turn number and you're put in a queue. The largest I have encountered is five. So that means that I had to wait for four people to talk to the representative, book their appointments, then I was given the chance to book my appointment, which you can imagine that it took a lot of time. Number three, whenever you need to book an appointment, you need to give your credentials again and again, which takes a lot of time and is annoying and inconvenient for the customer. So for that reason, I have developed this system that you can see on your screens now. This is the first part of the automation that I built, and this is the second part of the automation. It is run entirely or accessed entirely on WhatsApp, as you can see, and I'm going to give a small demonstration right now. So I would say I need an appointment. The words don't need to be exactly this. They should just provide an intention of booking an appointment. So it will say, before I can book an appointment, can you please inform me which doctor do you want to book an appointment with? And then it will list the doctors. Please type out the number 1 to 2 for your choice. I'm going to say 1. So after every message, you need to wait a couple of seconds, just like you would interact with ChatGPT. So it says, can you please provide your first and last name? I'm going to say Afan Iqbal. It says, can you please provide your email? Sure. So only the first time that the system will ask for your name and email. It will extract your phone number from the WhatsApp API key. So now it will say, can you please let me know what date and time you want to book an appointment? For example, 10 a.m. on 17th May. So I'm going to say, for demonstration purposes, I'm going to say 8 a.m. on 15th September, which is a time outside of working hours, because the operating hours that I have in this system are Monday to Thursday. It is 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. but with a 1 hour break between 12 and 1. And on Friday, the timings are 9 to 3, but with the same break 12 to 1. And on Saturdays, it is 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. and on Sundays it is closed. So it is working correctly. The time is selected is either outside of our working hours or already booked. Our available slots are 9 a.m. to 12 p.m., 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. If you need to book on the times displayed here, then please mention the same date, 15 September. Otherwise, please mention the new date and time. Thank you. So I'm going to say 9 a.m. on 15 September. It says, your appointment has been successfully booked for 9 a.m. on 15th of September 2025. Now let's check our Google Calendar, and it is working correctly. As you can see, the brown one is Salma Kayani, which was the first one, and this shows that it was correct. I have I have one calendar for each doctor, and the time is correct. It is 9 a.m. on 15th of September. So now I'm going to book another appointment. I need another appointment. So the same message again, before I can book your appointment, yada yada yada. This time I'm going to go with the same one again, because I'm going to show you something. One again. Notice that it didn't ask for your name or email or any other credential again. So now it says, can you please let me know what date and time you want to book an appointment? I will again say 9 a.m. on 15th September, because I'm going to show that the system doesn't book on the same time again. So there is no clash appointments, meaning there can't be two appointments at the same time. See, the message. The time you selected is either outside our working hours or already booked. Our available slots are 9:30 a.m. to 12 p.m., 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. If you need to book an appointment on this on the time displayed here, then the same message again. So you can see that it doesn't let you book on the same time as another appointment, and from this system, the appointments will be 30 minutes long every time. I can tailor it to anyone's needs. So I'm going to say 10 a.m. But let's say I'm going to do another thing. I want to demonstrate another feature. If, for example, you change your mind between when you're booking an appointment like this, and you say that you think that I don't need another appointment right now. So you just say that sorry, I have changed my mind. I don't need another appointment. The wordings can be any. There should be just clear intention behind not wanting to book another appointment or the change of intention. No problem at all. If you need any more assistance or have any other questions, feel free to ask. So now I'm going to say I need another appointment, because I want to show that the other doctor works as well, and then I will go on to further features. Let's say 2. Can you please let me know the date and time? Yes, I can. Let's say 10 a.m. on 15th September. So a single patient can book multiple meetings, which is very, very common, because patients need to be checked out by multiple doctors for different reasons. The first time it takes like 2 to 3 minutes when you need to give your credentials. The next time it takes less than a minute. Your appointment has been successfully booked for 10 a.m. on 15 September. You can clearly see the green one is Asma Jamil, which was the second one, and the time is again correct, which is 10 a.m. on 15th of September. Now I'm going to show that the user data is stored in Superbase. So this right here, you can see the credentials, and then in appointments you can see that status is booked. When the time has surpassed the time here, their appointment date and appointment time, then they automatically are changed to complete. So that is already taken care of automatically. And then this is just a registry where all the appointments are just displayed with name and with their credentials and the time and date as well, as you can see. So now I'm going to move to the second feature, which is the update feature. I will say I need to update my appointment. So now you have 2 active appointments. Dr. Salma, number 1, Dr. Salma Kiani, Monday, September 15, 2025 at 9 a.m. Dr. Salma Jamil, Monday, September 15, 2025 at 10 a.m. Please reply with the number between 1 and 2 to select your appointment. So I'm going to say, let's say 1. To update the appointment, please provide both the date and time together in a single message. For example, 10 a.m. on 17th May. So I'm going to say 2 p.m. on 15th September, or let's say 17th September for this. You will see the shift in real time on this. As you can see that it shifted from 15th to 17th in real time. And when I go back to my appointments registry, the time has shifted from 15th September to 17th September. The date has changed from 15 to 17, and the time has changed from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. Now to the next feature, the cancelling of the appointment. You just say, I need to cancel my appointment. It will again show your active appointments. Number one is Dr. Asma Jamil, Monday, September 15th, and you can see for this example, I'm gonna go 2. It doesn't matter which one I choose. So you're gonna see in real time that it will disappear right here. A message is displayed. Your appointment with Dr. Salma Kiani is scheduled for 14 means 2 p.m. on September 17, 2025 has been successfully cancelled. So these were the 3 features, and there is one last feature. This automation can also handle the FAQs. Let's say I need to see the operating hours of the hospital. What are the operating hours? Send. Here. The operating hours for Medici Hospital are as follows. Monday to Thursday, clinic hours 9 a.m. to 5 p.m, lunch break between 12 p.m. to 1 p.m, last appointment 4:30, and the rest you can see for yourself. So it can handle the job of a receptionist flawlessly. It doesn't sleep, it doesn't need rest, it doesn't miss your calls, it doesn't need credentials again and again. This, I don't know what to say. There isn't one benchmark that the human can beat on this. So for metrics, I would say that previously, if we wanted to book an appointment and there was traffic in a lot of incoming phone calls for the hospital, then it would take around 7 to 8 minutes to book an appointment. This time has been cut down. For the first time, if you book, it has been cut down to 2 minutes. And if the next time when you have given your credentials, it takes around a minute to book an appointment. And for updating or cancelling, it is even shorter than that. And it can handle all the FAQs. It runs 24/7, so the business doesn't run, doesn't lose revenue, doesn't annoy their patients or their customers. If they need to do email marketing, targeted marketing, they have the client credentials in their Airtable, which can be exported to a CRM like HubSpot, which can then be used for targeted email campaigns. You can sell monthly retainers or whatever you want to sell if the number of patients are running low, or you want to build trust with the patients. So if you need to implement this system for your hospital, or you think that this or any other automation is needed to be built, you can reach out to this LinkedIn account and I will try and make that happen for you.